National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Freestone County in Central Texas, Robertson County in Central Texas, Milam County in Central Texas, Limestone County in Central Texas, Falls County in Central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bellmead to near Coupland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marlin, Rockdale, Cameron, Hearn, Groesbeck, Teague, Mark, Franklin, Bruceville Eddy, Rosebud, Thorndale, Calvert, Bremen, Lott, Galinda, Buckholz, Alcoa Lake, Twin Oak Reservoir, Fort Parker State Park, and Lake Limestone. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 313 and 314. Interstate 45 near mile marker 191. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.